Hello everyone, welcome to this new playlist on MERN Laboratory, designed especially for VTU 2022 scheme semester 4 students. In this playlist, we will perform all the MERN Laboratory experiments step by step. I'll explain the concept first, then the code, execute the program, discuss the output. Before we begin with the experiments, we need to install a few software packages that are required throughout this course. So in this video, I'll show you how to install everything and verify your system is ready for the upcoming experiments. To make things easier, I have uploaded all the required software in one place. You can download everything from tinyurl.com/mernlab installation. Inside this folder, you will find 4 software packages. The first one is Node.js, the second is MongoDB community server, the third is MongoDB Shell, also called mongosh, and finally MongoDB database tools. Download all 4 files and install them one by one. During installation, simply keep clicking next and use the default settings. There is no special configuration required. I've already completed the installation, so I'll directly move to the next step. After installing all 4 packages, we need to add 2 folders to the Windows environment variables. Open the start menu and search for edit the system environment variables. Click environment variables. Under system variables, choose path, and then you need to add these 2 paths. First one, now click new and add the following path. Then you have to add these 2 paths. The first path allows Windows to recognize MongoDB server commands such as mongod. The second path contains database tools like mongo import, which we will use in our first experiment to import JSON data into MongoDB. Now open your C drive, create a new folder called data. Inside the data folder, create another folder called DB. So your folder structure should look like this. C drive, within C drive it should be data, within data it should be DB. MongoDB stores the database. MongoDB stores its database files inside this folder when using the default configuration. Now let's verify that everything has been installed correctly. So open command prompt, then first type node-v for Node.js installation, and then if you see a version, it means Node.js has been installed successfully. Then to verify MongoDB shell, we have to type mongosh. So if the MongoDB shell opens successfully, then the shell installation is complete. You should see a prompt where you can execute MongoDB commands. To exit the shell, simply type exit and press enter. Let's verify the MongoDB server. Type the mongod command. You will see several startup messages. If you find the message waiting for connections, it means the MongoDB server is running successfully. To stop the server, simply press Ctrl C. Finally, let's verify the MongoDB database tools by typing mongo import -version. If the version information is displayed, then the database tools have been installed successfully. This is important because we'll use mongo import in experiment 1 to import JSON files into MongoDB. That's all for this installation video. Now our system is completely ready for the MERN laboratory experiments. In the next video, we'll begin experiment 1, where we will learn how to import JSON data into MongoDB using mongo import, perform an upsert operation, and verify the imported data. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your classmates, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming MERN lab experiments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.